I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to make crispy golden brown hash browns as soon as our pan comes up to temperature. And just like that, we're ready to start cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is add some avocado oil to my pan, but really any kind of oil you like to cook with should work here. Next, I'm going to take my shredded hash browns from the freezer and just sprinkle them in, putting in enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And then I'll take my spatula and just kind of push them down flat and spread them around. To cook this, I've got the heat set somewhere between medium low and medium. I'd rather cook them longer and slower to help ensure that I have a nice, good, crispy brown crunch to it rather than trying to cook them quickly and then possibly having them burn. And now we'll just go around the edges, loosen things up, and see if we can flip this. While I get this flipped, I'd appreciate it if you take a moment to smash that like button. And while you're there, maybe consider subscribing too and turning notifications on. Oh, there we go. And see, that's pretty crispy looking there, and it'll only get crisper the longer that we cook this. There's no shame in my hash brown game. I'll flip it multiple times to make sure that each side gets cooked and crisp just the way I like it. And that's it. We'll put this on the plate, hit it with some ketchup, and then we're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this.